The crypto market crashed this morning. It was absolutely crazy. We're going to be talking about it, and I have some very important information and articles that you must watch, you must read, you must listen to. It's going to blow your mind. So if you hold any cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Bitcoin, watch this video until the very end. Now, before we get into the video right now, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel. Blow up the comment section with the things you like, don't like about this video. Go ahead and let me know, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. So we're gonna get straight into the video right now. The first thing we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is the market had taken a huge dip. Altcoins really got hurt this morning. Bitcoin just kind of stayed still, had a small little dip, bounced up, is actually in the green. But we had Ethereum down 10%. A lot of altcoins were down 10%. It was just crazy. And if we go ahead and take a look at the charts, I can just show you briefly what happened. I mean, taking a look at Ethereum, here we have it. Look at this. Ethereum was trading sideways, and then boom, massive crash, went all the way down to 1735. And we had bounced up from our current position to just about 10% in a very short period of time. And what's really cool is if you are a Patreon member, I put a buy alert out for Ethereum at 1766. If you would have bought Ethereum this morning on the buy alert in just a very short period of time, let me show you 1766. All the way down right here. If you would have bought that, you would have made 8%. 8% in just a matter of 2 hours. There's nobody in the world that is giving you profitable trade alerts consistently, even while the market is down and crashing in the world. Make sure you join the Patreon. It's only $10 a month where you can get access to these trades, and join tier 3 if you want to get access to copy all of my exact trades. But getting into the point of the video, cryptocurrencies are just crazy right now. There's a lot of volatility, but we still have some good news and information. I mean, I was watching cryptos last night and they were forming this channel right here. Look at this descending triangle pattern. We broke out of it perfectly. Look at that. A terrible breakout. It was really bad. I did not personally trade the breakdown. I did not short the market, but I was watching it. I was waiting for a bounce because we just kept getting lower and lower and lower. Just the last several days, cryptos have been trading down the last several days. And today is Thursday, where recoveries usually take place. We are seeing a recovery. Usually every single Thursday, we have been seeing recoveries in the market. That's just how it works. But the reason why cryptos crashed, the stock market is up. If we take a look at the NASDAQ, it is going up. We take a look at the S&P 500, it is going up. We take a look at the US dollar, it's going down. These are all very good things that should be driving cryptos up. Why did they crash? Why did they go down? Why did all of this happen? Well, the reason why is because of liquidations. There's a lot of people going long, going short in the market, and they got liquidated. And the reason why they got liquidated is because there's a massive $1.8 billion of options expirations to expire tomorrow. The reason for all of this is because of this. The whales have $2 billion of interest in these options. And what they do is they try to drop the price by manipulating and crashing prices, or they try to pump the price, try to trap people. They manipulate the market and cause it to be very volatile, especially when there's $2 billion in options expirations. So all of this is just pure market manipulation, whale games. They're trying to scare people. They're trying to trap people at one level to drive them down. And that's what's happening. So the bulls and bears are fighting strong, and the bulls are recovering the market currently. We are seeing a strong recovery in the market right now. This is a good thing. This is what we need. The big drops, as we have seen, the last time we dropped to this level, or at least close to this level, we did have a very big rally. We did have a very big retracement and bounce. And we are still, despite the drop, Bitcoin and cryptos are still trading inside of this range. We've been sideways for quite some time, for just about a couple of weeks. Altcoins did take a bigger hit. We have seen some new lows for certain cryptocurrencies, but Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, a lot of these altcoins are still holding up fine. We're still trading sideways. Bitcoin needs to break out. Just like I told you, Bitcoin needs to break out of this range here, which is going to be about $30,000 to $32,000 for us to see a lot of upside. And I said, if we break down below this, we're going to see a lot of downside. And that's exactly what happened. So getting into even the better part of this video, continue to watch. We have some more information. So the US dollar, I talk about it all the time on this channel. And you're like, Miles, what the heck does the US dollar, which is the DXY, what does that have to do anything with cryptos? So the DXY, which is the US dollar index, basically does the exact opposite of what cryptos do. when the DXY is going down, stocks go up. Stocks go up and cryptos go up. And the DXY was pumping for quite some time. Look at this. But we finally topped out. And if we take a look at this chart here, what we are actually seeing is that the DXY is monitored. The DXY is the candlesticks, the red and green. When the DXY comes to this red zone, it usually tops out and starts, look, the bull market in 2020, 2016. Every time this happens with the DXY, it causes these bull markets for crypto. And in the back, this brown, chart you're seeing in the back, that is cryptos. So usually also when the DXY comes to these levels here in the bottom, that's the market top. And that's exactly what happened. So we have topped out. We have topped out with the DXY possibly, and this might actually be the start of the bull run. We might be really starting the bull run. And guess what? When the bull runs start, most people have no idea that that was the bottom of the market. They're like, well, Bitcoin's going to go to 10,000. The same people that were saying Bitcoin and cryptos are going to go to this number and 10,000 and 20,000. Look, Bitcoin is still at, well, look, what is Bitcoin at right now? Bitcoin, if we go to Bitcoin, it's almost $30,000 a coin. Bitcoin is still holding up. Bitcoin is not 21,000, did not hit 24,000, didn't hit 25,000. We are still holding up strong, and that is a very good sign, despite all the crazy volatility in the market. So that's why cryptos crash, just volatility because of options expirations. But we might be getting a strong bounce here soon. These big drops that happen in the crypto market, they are usually the start of a correction to the upside, a retracement, a bounce to the upside. In order for us to go higher, we must go lower. And in order for us to go lower, we must go higher. So that's the way it works in this current market. The market moves the opposite of what a lot of retail traders think and do. Like the whales, they try to trap people in. Like when cryptos crashed this morning, they try to trap people in short, saying, oh my gosh, it's going to go so much lower. And that's what drives the prices up really fast. They get people to think that it's going to go to one particular direction, and then they change the directions on them very quickly, getting the liquidations, the short squeezes. And that's what causes these quick moves up. And just as fast as we went down and are bouncing up, is just as fast as cryptos can bounce out of this range and go crazy and enter into another awesome bull run, which I believe is going to be happening this year. Let me know if you agree and think that's going to be happening this year as well. Now, if you want to get my one-on-one training, join the Patreon, my mentoring. You can speak to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio. And if you guys want to get access to my course right now, while it is 66% off, I highly recommend it. You can learn everything you need to know when it comes to investing and trading in cryptocurrencies and technical analysis. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can buy it with a credit card. And if you want to buy it with crypto, just go ahead and message me on the Patreon. Let me know. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying unto the end. I appreciate your support. I will be making another video here soon, so get ready for that tonight, most likely. And you all have a great weekend, a great day. I will see you all later.